I am Darshini, Dalmia Vidya Mandir, Dalmiapuram. Can you imagine in this world without a sun? No. Because there is no sun means there is no photosynthesis. Plant and animals cannot live without a sun. The other source of heat energy are burning of coal, burning of wood and electric heater. For this we are going to do one activity. Sun has heat energy, no? For that we are doing one activity. How to take magnifying glass and one piece of paper. Under parent supervision only you have to do this activity. You show the magnifying glass in front of the paper. The sunlight will be focused on that paper. After 2 or 3 minutes, the paper started to burn. In the same way, you have to rub your palms. If you rub your palms, you feel warm. Why is it so? The others, that is, if you rub by using both the hands, that is, any two objects with this moving in opposite direction, definitely it produces heat. In this lesson, we have to identify hot and cold objects. The topic is heat and its measurement. So how to identify hot and cold object? By using temperature. Higher the temperature, then it will be a hot object. The temperature is very low means it is cold object. How would you feel hot? For example, you take a cup of hot coffee. The heat from the cup of coffee is transferred to your body. That's why you feel hot. The same way if you stand in front of the sunlight. Next, cold objects. Examples are ice cream, ice cubes, etc. Here, the heat is transferred from the body to the cold things. That's why you feel cool. Using our sense, how to identify which is cold or hot object by doing this activity. You have to take 3 containers A, B, C. The first container A, you should take cold water. The second container B, you should take hot water. The third container C, you should take both hot and cold water. What you have to do is, you have to keep your left hand in first container, keep your right hand in the B container. After 2 or 3 minutes, take both the hands and keep it in container C. What will you observe? You can't say correctly because now the temperature is differencing, isn't it? First, in the container A, it is cold. Container B, it is hot. In the C, warm. So using only sense, you can't tell the correct temperature. That is either it is hot or cold. So scientists, what they are used to is they made one instrument. It is called thermometer. This thermometer is used to measure the temperature of any object. Okay, thermometer is an instrument to measure temperature. Temperature is a reliable value. You can use it. Our body temperature is 36.7 degrees centigrade. How would you know that 36.7 degree? Using this thermometer, you can calculate that value. Okay students, we see it in the next class. Thank you.